Hi, kindergarten friends. It's Mrs. Groover here. I'm going to review with you a little bit about three-dimensional shapes. The shape you see on your screen right now is called a cube. It's a three-dimensional shape. We sometimes also call that a solid. Typically, we can pick it up, we can hold it in our hands, we can move it all around. Sometimes your teachers may say that it is fat and not flat. You can see that a cube has 6 sides, and each side has a square face. Now we're going to take a look at a different shape. This shape is called a cylinder. And you can see that cylinder moving all around. The cylinder is curved, kind of like a circle, but then it's stretched out. It's got 2 bases, and each base, you can see, looks like a flat circle. And then it's got an edge around. It's kind of shaped like a soup can. That's usually what I think of when I think of a cylinder. See, I can turn it all around. And again, it's 3-dimensional. It's a solid, and we might call it fat, but not flat. The next one we're going to look at is a cone, just like an ice cream cone. Do I love those. And you can see it has a base down here at the bottom that's shaped like a circle. It's round and it's flat. Then it curves and comes to a point at the bottom. Again, it's 3-dimensional. It's a solid. And I might call it fat, but not flat. The last one we're going to look at is called a sphere. And my sphere on here isn't quite as fun. It's a picture of a glass marble, and it's round, and it's like a ball, basically. Any ball I would consider to be a sphere. You can see all these examples of circles here as I scroll down. See there? There's more marbles, balls. And then I think we saw a picture of the Earth right there. And the Earth is also a sphere. Again, a sphere or a ball would be a 3-dimensional shape. And we might consider that to be fat, not flat. And up on my screen now, I can see all 4 3-dimensional shapes that we just talked about. A cone, a cylinder, a sphere, and a cube. 3-dimensional or 3D shapes have faces, edges, and corners or vertices, as we might call them. Once again, we call them solids. There's my cube. There's my cylinder, my cone, and my sphere. Have a good day.